Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. I have this plaque that originally came from Dollar Tree, and I had made a project using it before, and now I'm just going to paint over it again with Waverly chalk paint and truffle. I got these napkins at Hobby Lobby. They were 40% off, and I got an early Christmas present. It's a C6 die cut machine. You can also emboss with this machine, and I've got this 3D embossing folder, and I'm going to emboss this napkin. First, I'm going to cut it down to just one panel, and I'm going to attach it to some cardstock. And then I'm going to put it in my folder and trim it down so that it fits inside the folder. I will separate the layers of the napkin. Now I'm going to run it through my C6, and it only takes the one time, and watch what you get. Isn't that the coolest thing? I love it. Now I'm going to trim it down so that it fits my sign and to get that little cardstock edge off. I attach it using hot glue, and I'll reattach the string that was on there before. Now I'm going to add some fall flowers. Dollar Tree had these pretty little small mums, I'm guessing is what they are, but I really love them. Dollar Tree has the prettiest flowers. And I'm also going to add these leaves. I'm loving the way it looks, but I'm going to take it up another notch, and I'm going to get some of this gold rubbing buff, and I'm going to run it all over the side and over the embossed part. And here's how it turned out. I think it's gorgeous. I love it, and I'm really happy. There's just so many things I can do now. This fall challenge is hosted by Sonja of Domestic Diva DIY. Sonja is very talented, and she does a lot of these challenges. I will have her channel listed in my description box down below, as well as the playlist. I'm sure there will be so many talented creators showing their fall DIYs. I can't wait to see it. For my second DIY, I'm just going to redo this bird cage. I do it for the different seasons, and I took out all of my spring flowers that I had in there, and now I'm going to decorate it for fall. I have these pumpkins left over from probably last year and the year before, and I have this little ivy garland that I'm going to use, and I just wrap it around the cage. I cut some more of these beautiful flowers I got at Dollar Tree, and I just put them all around inside there. I have some of these orange ones, and I also have some of these maroon looking ones. And I just sporadically put them around the cage. And I got some more florals from Dollar Tree that I'll also add into this. I love doing this because it's just a few flowers, and changing them up can make such a huge impact for your decorating for the seasons. And here's how it turned out. I went from just spring purple flowers to this beautiful fall arrangement. For my third and final DIY, I got these little plastic dishes from Dollar Tree. I think it was in the wedding section. And they just kind of fit together in the grooves, and I'm going to make pumpkins. I hot glue along the edge and just attach them together. And then I'll paint it with Waverly chalk paint and pumpkin. I gave it 2 coats of the Waverly chalk paint, and I was just going to cover over that sticker because I couldn't get it off, but you could see it through the top. And then I remembered I have a hair dryer, so I just heated it up and it peeled right off. And since the plastic bowls have that pretty pattern, I decided to use my rubbing buff on that as well to pick up some of that detail. For the stem of my pumpkin, I'm going to cut off the very bottoms of my flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to bend it, put some rubbing buff on there, and I'm going to hot glue it to the top. And you do just have to hold it, and I add some leaves and berries, and to help the berries to really help steady the stem, and because it is very narrow. But I added my leaves. I love these leaves that came from Dollar Tree. The berries came with the leaves, and I just kind of glue it down and just tuck the stuff in there and kind of hold it till the glue sets up. Also, the florals I had used earlier had the little tendrils, and I just added those to the top of my pumpkin. I thought it just added a little something to it. I just kept working with the leaves, the berries, and the stem, and just holding it and gluing it until it stood solid. And here's how my pumpkins turned out. I really love the way they look. I think they're so cute and so easy to do. And here are all my projects together. I hope you like them. Thank you, Sonja, for hosting this challenge. And if you do like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Which one is your favorite? And until next time, bye y'all.